The Supreme Court's just ruled the Trump administration can turn away asylum seekers at the U.S. and Mexico border. And in a different ruling impacting immigration, the court said the administration can also cancel the temporary protected status of Haitian and Syrian refugees. As ABC's Christian Cordero reports, the High Court has a dozen cases left to decide and only a few days left in the term.
Today, a major decision from the Supreme Court impacting the future of some 350,000 Haitian nationals and about 6,000 Syrians who sought asylum in the U.S. Those immigrants were granted temporary protected status under previous administrations, allowing those asylum seekers to live in the U.S. if the Department of Homeland Security decides their home country is unsafe. Last year, then DHS Secretary Kristi Noem moved to end TPS status, which was challenged in several courts until making its way to the Supreme Court. In a 6-3 decision today along ideological lines, the conservative majority ruled the administration did so lawfully.
This is really a question of whether the judges, whether the Supreme Court has any role in these types of decisions that Congress gave to the executive branch, in this case, the Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security.
Immigrant advocates during oral arguments pointed to the role TPS holders play in our workforce and the conditions they're being forced to return to if faced with deportation.
The law is there to protect the most vulnerable because no one is disposable.
In another major decision today, the Supreme Court says the Trump administration can turn away asylum seekers at the U.S.-Mexico border. The policy is not currently in effect, but it will likely mark a major change in asylum policy. Christian Cordero, ABC News, Washington.
Now, the High Court also sided against a Missouri man claiming herbicide Roundup caused his cancer. The Supreme Court backed an argument from Roundup's manufacturer, saying the lawsuit should have been barred because the federal government does not require a cancer warning on the label.